प्यारे बच्चों, in this class we study the nature of CX bond in haloalkane. So in haloalkane, when carbon is directly attached to halogen, so that here the electronegative है, so that carbon directly attached with halogen. Here X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So the electronegativity of halogen is more than carbon. So due to electronegativity of halogen is more than carbon, so shared paired electrons are displaced toward halogen. So these electrons are slightly displaced toward halogen. So due to displacement of these covalent bond electron, so halogen are acquire partially negative charge and carbon acquire partially positive charge. So that due to inductive effect, due to inductive effect, the halogen are acquire slightly negative charge and this carbon slightly positive charge. So that CX bond is polar in nature. So that CX bond is polar in nature, and also we tell that the CX bond are polarized. CX bond are polarized due to different electronegativity of halogen and carbon. So due to uh, different electronegativity of halogen and carbon, CX bond are polarized. So due to polarization, so CX bond having a dipole moment, So first we study the length of carbon and halogen. If Ci, Cbr, Cf and Cl. So bond length of these, bond length. So Ci bond length are more than Cbr bond length, then CCl bond length, then Cf bond length. So carbon halogen bond length are increased from firstly carbon iodide Ci more, then Cbr, then Cl and then Cf. If second is we study the bond enthalpy, bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy, the amount of energy required to break down carbon halogen bond, the amount of energy required to break carbon halogen bond, so we know that bond enthalpy. So that CF bond enthalpy is more than CCl, then CBr, then Ci. So we normally CF bond are strong because small size of fluorine, small size of fluorine. So due to small size of fluorine and more electronegativity of fluorine, so CF bond are stronger than Cl bond, then Cbr bond and then Ci bond. Third, we the dipole moment. We are take simple Example, CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br or CH3I. So we write down the dipole moment of these compounds. So simply dipole moment represent mu Q into L. Q charge, L length. Simply dipole moment is product of charge and length. So here CH3 Cl is more dipole moment than CH3F, then CH3Br and then CH3I. So dipole moment of chloromethane is more than fluoromethane, then bromomethane and then iodomethane. So this is the chloromethane having highest dipole moment in these compounds. Firstly chloromethane, second fluoromethane, third bromomethane and fourth is iodomethane. Thank you very much.